So I get this kind of comment often, people who are asking me for a reference list or people who want to get started in mathematics and they don't know how to. So let me suggest a list of books that you can read to get started in mathematics, in particular in the direction of abstract algebra. First, I would suggest a book on proofs, because if you're going to do abstract algebra, if you're going to do advanced mathematics, you have to be really comfortable with proofs and methods of proofs. So a book like Richard Hammack's Book of Proof is a great way to get started. This book, by the way, is freely available online, which is a great feature. You can also buy a cheap copy at booksellers online. Now, learning about proofs without a specific topic in mind is more like just vegetables and no French fries. You might want to start reading another book at the same time on a topic that you like, for example, a book on number theory, just so you get some fun at the same time that you're learning about proofs. Next, if you want to learn abstract algebra, I actually recommend that you learn some number theory first, because in a number theory context, you will see the first examples of groups, rings, fields, which are the main topics in an abstract algebra class, and you will see them in a concrete way in terms of prime numbers that later you can use as reference when you learn it in more general and abstract ways. For number theory, I actually recommend my own book because it is free online, and B, there is a full chapter, chapter 5, on groups, rings, and fields. So you get a mini introduction to abstract algebra right in the book. There are many other books on number theory that you could pick up though. For example, Dudley's Elementary Number Theory. It's a very nice book that you can read even without knowing about proofs. So you might want to try that instead. As a first course on abstract algebra, I would start with Judson's Abstract Algebra Theory and its Applications, again because it's free online and it's actually a pretty good book. This is the book I used last time I taught abstract algebra in class here at UConn. After that, if you want to learn abstract algebra at the graduate level, the canonical reference is Dammit and Foote, Abstract Algebra, which is a great book, and it covers almost everything you would want to know about algebra at an introductory level. And then if you're done with Dammit and Foote and want more algebra, I would say go to Lang's Algebra, which is more of an encyclopedic algebra book, and it is a book that is really useful for people doing research in algebra.